In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on iPhone. So first thing that we'll need to do is go over to settings and go over to Wi-Fi. So click on your Wi-Fi and click on the blue icon on the right and make sure that auto join is turned on, low data mode is turned off. Make sure that it is off. When it's green, just click on it again to toggle it off, and make sure that the private Wi-Fi address is turned on, and limit IP address tracking is also turned on. And over here, click on configure IP and click on automatic if you don't have it on automatic. So next is go over to configure proxy, click on it and make sure that it is also turned off. So now let's head back and go over to screen time and go over to content and privacy restrictions. Make sure that content and privacy restrictions is turned off because sometimes it disconnects to your Wi-Fi when the content is restricted. And that's about it. That's how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on iPhone. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.